Hello and once again welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video I'm going to talk about MATIC, and what I would like to show you is firstly about this massive gain of 33.7% during the past 7 days, what you could see on CoinMarketCap, what I think is very interesting. Also, I wanted to apologize because I did not upload many videos lately, but I will be uploading once again. So let's get started and let's take a look at the MATIC chart. What we can see is over here we have seen a massive downtrend during the past several months, and what we have seen lately is that we broke above this downward sloping resistance line, and we actually were able to break above it and find support on top of it. So this is very interesting to me, and I think it's very important overall for the MATIC price action. Also, what we could see is that during the past 8 to 10 days, we have seen an even bigger price action of approximately 66% for MATIC, and I think that is of utmost importance to see what the overall trend is going to look like for the next upcoming weeks and days. And let's get started. Right now, I will be placing a Fibonacci reference from swing low towards the swing high, and what we're seeing is that we're currently trading at 0.236. Just above it and finding support on top of it. I'm personally very glad we were able to break above the 0.382 golden pocket entry level, and afterwards you saw that MATIC was able to pump towards the upside, find support on top of it once again, and right now we are currently trading a little bit higher at 0.236. Very great to know, and I think this will be very important for the overall trend. Also, what I wanted to show you is for this uptrend that we are currently seeing on the MATIC chart, and this is looking very good to me right now. We are seeing already several touch points on the ascending support line. The first touch point was right over here, and afterwards we saw two touch points here and here as well. What I think is very important about this upward sloping support line is that this is the trend right now currently, and once we break up underneath it, I think it will be massive for MATIC to see where it's going to be finding support on top. For example, as I showed you before on the Fibonacci retracement, that could be on top of the 0.382 golden pocket entry at $0.93, but it could possibly also go all the way down towards the 0.5 Fibonacci level at 0.87 cents dollar, especially because we saw previously that MATIC was trading for quite a long period of time underneath the golden pocket entry before it was able to break above it, and that will for sure serve as a major level of support as well. So that is something very important and something you would like to consider for the overall trend. But I will also take a look at a different Fibonacci level, and that is all the way from its all-time high towards the low where we're currently at, to see where we could be possibly be heading towards. So by placing this Fibonacci retracement, you can see that right now we're currently trading underneath the 0.236 instead of trading above it, as I showed you before. And what for sure is very interesting to take a look at is that we have been rejected already twice once we tried to retest this level. So that is for sure something very interesting to me. And as you can see over here, it is very likely that if we are not able to break above this 0.236 Fibonacci level, that it will be a major drop towards the zero level once again at 0.66 cents for MATIC right now. So let's take a look at a few other indicators before I go even further. But before doing so, I would like to show you my channel, and especially underneath in the description section you will be able to join our Discord server and also follow me on Twitter, and that would be very appreciated if you did so. So once again, thank you if you would like to join our Discord server that looks something similar to this. So thank you very much, and let's get started by taking a look at something I think is really interesting right now, and that is the relative strength index. What we are currently seeing over here is, I think, something very interesting, and what we are seeing is actually a bearish divergence, if you ask me. We are currently right over here seeing a higher low getting created, as you can see over here, but we are seeing a lower low on the RSI. So This is for me a bearish divergence, and I personally think that this is not looking in particular very good for the overall trend for MATIC, and that it will be quite likely that we will break underneath this upward sloping support. For sure, that is just my personal opinion. We could also be finding support on top of it, and that would be for sure also something I would appreciate a lot if MATIC would be able to find support on top of this upward sloping support line at approximately $1.02 where it's currently trading at. So let's take a look at what the possible price target is going to be, either towards the up or towards the downside. And how I'm going to measure this is by placing this horizontal level of resistance and placing it like this. What I'm creating right now is a ascending triangle, and what I think is very important about this is that a ascending triangle is a pattern, is a continuation pattern most of the times, and this means that it's more likely to break out towards the upside. So that is looking very good right now. Just for the moment, the bearish divergence on the RSI is something I'm concerned about right now. But if we stay above this upward sloping support line, I'm very confident we will see a breakout of this ascending triangle towards the upside, and that would be a possible breakout towards the upside of approximately, let's take a look where we are going to be heading towards. That would be a breakout, let's say, towards the upside of approximately 16%. So that will be for sure a major pump that you don't want to miss out on. And you will be also heading towards the $1.28 or 30 cents. So $1.29 would be my price target if we break out towards the upside outside of this ascending triangle for MATIC. But on the downside, if MATIC breaks below this upward sloping support line, it will be heading towards the downside, also a major decline of 16%, and then it will be once again heading towards the 0.83 level. But as I said before, I think it is more likely to be finding support on top of the level where it was previously trading at, and that is approximately over here on top at $0.86. So once again, thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like this video so far, please don't forget to smash up the like button underneath. And also, if you're interested in leverage trading, do not forget to use the description link down below. You will be also supporting the channel by doing so, and I would be highly appreciated. So once again, thank you and have a nice day.